We are now watching the first heat of the large-scale 100-meter race. This is surely an exciting event. Here is the start list for the first group, and all competitors have arrived on the track. Next, I will introduce the athletes on the field. Lane 1. Gold and Red Power Team, Glory Duel. Lane 2. Glory Dual Pool Team. Lane 3. TN. Lane 3. TN Xiao Team. Lane 4. Tiandao Tianfeng Technology United Team. Lane 5. Lightning Team. Beacon Lightning Team. We can see we have arrived at the large-scale division competition. The 5 robot athletes on the field are already eager to go, and we are very much looking forward to seeing the performance of the large robots today. We know the current 100-meter world record for robots stands at 9.32 seconds. Please remain quiet, audience members. Looking forward to the start of tonight's competition for the large-scale division. Wow, that is extremely fast. All the competitors are pushing hard to move forward. Let's see who crosses the finish line first. Beautiful, lane 3. It looks like the lane 3 competitor crossed first. It is the athlete from the Tian Xiao team. They are reaching their limit now. The battery is also heating up. They really went all out in this race today. That is incredible. The time I just saw was 8.8 seconds. The robot competitors are constantly breaking the records they set themselves. In these few days, the 100-meter results have been constantly refreshed, from 9.39 to 9.32. And now, looking at today, we see 8.86. 8.86 seconds. This is a brand new 100-meter world record for robots. Robot progress is just too fast. The performance has improved yet again. And this happened in just a day or two. Indeed. For humans, breaking even 1 second in the 100-meter dash is extremely difficult. But we see the robot competitors took just a day or two to improve from 9.32 to 8.86. Let's review their brilliant performance. In fact, during the first half, almost all 4 competitors were running neck and neck. Let's take another look at the final confirmed result, 8.85 seconds. The final confirmed time for the Tian Xiao team is 8.85 seconds, and this match between powerhouses saw multiple contestants break the record, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's look at the second heat of the race, the second heat. Let me introduce the field. Again, all 5 competitors have arrived on the track, chasing. Lane 1 is the Zufeng team, Lane 2 is the Tian team. Lane 2 is the Tianzhou team. The Tianzhou team's competitor previously set the record of 9.39 seconds. The Tian Xiao team is competing in Lane 3. Lane 4 is the Tiangong team. Lane 4, the Tiangong team's racer, Thor team. Lane 5 is the racer from the Fei Thor team. Quiet. In the 100-meter large-scale group qualifiers, the 10 teams are split into 2 groups. The top 2 from each group advance directly, and we'll take one more best time to enter the finals. Let's look at this group's performance. Also wow, there was a problem in the middle. Let's look at the finish line first. We see the winner of this group clocked in at 8.9 seconds. They have also exhausted all of their power. They don't care how they finish right now, only hoping to present their best in this 100-meter dash. Although 8.9 seconds didn't beat the previous 8.86, it is still a very good top time for the group. So fast! We see the audience standing up to follow this 100-meter robot sprint race. The top 2 finishers from each group advance directly to the finals, and then one more robot racer. The racer with the highest remaining score can also advance to the finals. The subsequent final will be contested by 5 racers. This group also has 2 red robots. Their start and reaction times are faster, but look at the racer in lane 3. The acceleration in the final stretch is very fast. Lane 3 is the racer from the Tianzhou team. Watching robot competitions today has truly gotten our blood pumping. Indeed. The Tianzhou team finished with 8.90 seconds. Fei Thor is second at 9.05 seconds, Tianzhou team at 9.15 seconds, and Tiangong team at 9.3 seconds, and Zui Feng.
11 Labs Music.